interviews on. Right hand drops Campbell. He was moving. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you okay? Hands up in the air.
The right hand. And
he resurrected and Seragna with an.
He stepped right in with a punch. I mean, he was throwing the punches that mattered from the start, but you can see the way.
He's got a lot of good footwork.
And that's it. That's all she wrote. Kevin Torres with a sensational first-round knockout. Are still attending Javier Lechoa. Certainly do hope that he's okay.
Walker's actually trying to headhunt now. Straight right hand.
There's the straight right hand. Hurt him a little bit.
Mainnya sportif, ikutin aturan saya. Siap, 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 siap.
And he throws it perfect, Mark. He had everything on it. Boom.
His neck snap.
Yeah.
Y Villanueva 8 knockouts. Le parece que va a ser muy complicado que pueda recuperarse.
Knockout in boxing history. Bill Drill rolls to 4-0.
Beautiful right hand. He's out.
Down goes
He's out.
Dominic Good.
Beautiful right hand.
And this fight is over.
That's exactly what.
Oh, beautiful
Big
right hand.
He's out.
Down goes
He's out.
Dominic Good.
Beautiful right hand.
No.
Clips the chin,
Yes.
but it doesn't stop Deloche from throwing his own right hand. And oh, is that a sagging, beaten fighter?
Walker's actually trying to headhunt now. Straight right hand.
There's the straight right hand. Hurt him a little bit.
Beautiful
Big
right hand.
He's out.
Down goes
He's out.
Dominic Good.
Beautiful right hand.
And that must be good night.
That's exactly
He's
what we were
struggling
saying.
upwards bravely, but the referee said that's it.
Mark had
That
everything
was
on
nothing to
it.
do with anything but just a beautiful
He was
shot.
out before he hit the mat.
The kid's got his hands down. He
snap.
gives you so many gaps and opportunities. He does.
Starting to slowly break down Harold Reyes. Two big uppercuts and a hard left, and down goes Reyes. He got spun around, and this fight is over. Spectacular. Reyes, he landed a huge shot down on Reyes, and he was knocked.
That's where the party's at.
Exactly. And you know what, Nick and Mike, you guys can watch it on Ring TV Live.
No.
And you'll see a lot of right hand.
WBC Ring